morning, Tata. And I just wanted you guys to see what we're doing. Hey, say hello, say good morning. Someone's in a good mood today. Yes. Yes. You haven't been on camera in forever. We're filming his very first dedicated video, which will be all about him. Right? You're not even looking at the camera right now. You're so cash. He's excited. Okay. You can see he just woke up, so there's the hint. He just woke up, so it's along those lines. Can anybody guess? Yours and guessing. I love making people guess. Okay, he wants to go down now and play. We will check y'all later. I just got the most cutest things for Fizz. He gets PR packages too, which is quite weird, right? But anyway, lucky him. Zando has got a baby shop and they've relaunched it, and they got me a couple of things. Well, they got him a couple of things from Zando itself. So we've got a lot of things actually from Nike. We've got Hurley. So we've got two little outfits. I'll literally put it along the screen, but you'll see it properly there. We've got these, and then we've got these as well, which are super cute, from Kappa's baby. And then some cute shoes from Shoes, and then some baby stuff from Dove Baby, which are super cool. So what I wanted to do is actually go onto the Zando baby site. I've never actually been on their baby website, so that's going to be interesting. Let's check out what they actually have. Come closer. Yes, yes. Okay, let's just do a quick scroll. I literally just want to show you guys the website, and no, this is not sponsored. I just wanted to check it out myself, and I mean, I love online shopping, and I've never actually bought anything for Fairs online. His dad has though on takealot.com, but I just wanted to check the clothing out. Yay! Okay, this seems very user friendly. I wonder if I can change the gender, because why would it have just baby? Oh, there we go. Boys. 0 to 2 years, that's convenient. Yay! Alrighty, I think we're good. I'll show this to hubby, hopefully he likes it, but the outfits look amazing. This does not look like 0 to 2 years though. So yeah, I'll be shopping on this very soon. Otherwise, I am actually doing a crazy challenge today. I'm gonna try and work without a desk. I don't know if you know how many children there are in South Africa who don't have desks. Crazy as that sounds, I'm gonna try and actually put my feet into their shoes, which is quite scary to think of because I'm gonna be working on my desk top without a desk. Come with me? Yes? No? Keen? Okay, let's do it. I'm trying to edit a video, which is over here, and my mouse is over here. My keyboard is right here. This is my mouse, and it's proving to be quite a struggle because I'm not really being productive. Okay, maybe I should put it down on the floor. Maybe that would help. Else, let's try this. Let's try to put it on the floor. Maybe if I tilt my screen as well. Okay, this is the furthest it can go. And with my keyboard and my mouse on the other side. Okay, that's not too bad. But to be honest with you, I don't think I could do this the whole day. My back would literally hurt if I had to do this the whole day. I might try lying down later. I can't imagine a whole day of sitting on the floor and working with no desk. Loves, I'm actually at Yoko right now picking up something exciting. My pay point. That's not the one though. That's just like a lot of pay points around here, and I'm launching something exciting soon. So you'll hear about it in the pipelines because it has to do with you, obviously. But yeah, this is how I'm getting one thing ticked off my list. So I'm just gonna pick that up and then head to my next stop. Today I've got so many things to do, but at least we're getting this done and out of the way.
about my hair journey, and that's how my hair journey started. And I was inspired by the beautiful ISSA too on the blog, you know, curl friends who you could only find on the net who looked like me as well. Thank goodness she did it first. And basically that's what I do now. I was actually studying finance and investment, went into corporate, and then last year, April, I took my corporate job for YouTube Untitled. So I am a full-time YouTuber. It is my business. Hair is literally my money maker. Hair is my business. And today actually marks the first day of me launching my people secret still under wraps. My hair care company called Happy Hair. And we do lots hair care accessories, from your pillow covers to your pillowcases to your microfiber towels, your t-shirt towels, and the things that we naturals need. Even the hairline cover, little laser edges. You don't want to walk into clicks or weaves with a dope. So you want to look lavish, right? So there's one in velvet, there's one in satin. Go ahead and find out so as I am. It's right there. And now today I'm happy to share that with you. That's one of the reasons I'm here. The other reason is just my love for people and my love for communication. You all know, if you know my channel, we're all friends, we're all sisters, you know. So this time I want to see you all face to face and to have this conversation again, which again is necessary for us girls with coils and curls. And yeah, I'm really excited to be here today.
Hey, what's happening? I'm actually going to source. I'm not sure how much information you have on what I'm doing, but I am sourcing three types of packaging actually. One for like now, how to get it out. Secondly, we go to markets to market this thing that you don't know about yet, or you might know about. So if you know about it, wink wink in the comment section. I'm almost at the gate, so I'm actually going to stop right here. So there's that. And then the other one is for our influencers, because I have handpicked some smaller influencers who have a really big impact on the natural hair space. So yeah, we want to send them packages, but again, we need sourcing. I need to go to China actually, not Chinatown here in South Africa. Myself and my business partner need to go to China to source proper everything, packaging, fabric, and just change up our whole production situation. So yeah, without giving out too much, because I really don't know how much you know yet. That's where I'm gonna leave it. Fezzi's proper teething. He's proper teething. You'll see in snippets of this vlog as well. Like, yeah. So we don't sleep. Like 3-4 hours of sleep is my life right now. That's just how it is. Besides work, like my personal life, Fez has taken over. Loves, we are actually busy with production. I wanted to show you guys a snippet of what my life has become. I am at our little studio. Hashtag we are renting on somebody else's property. So what material? This is bonbon. I'm like, what?
Monica.
Monica.
That's not bad actually.
Right?
Something different, Yana, from what you've got.
Okay, cool. Good morning, honeys. It's a new day and I am rushing out again as usual. I'm off to see our CMT. Such a long word, but it's basically the guys who are manufacturing our stuff for us. Finally we're getting it streamlined, because as I said, we were in testing, we were also getting quotes, and now that our numbers are growing, thank the Lord, we're basically getting somebody to sort of mass produce for us with proper quality, because our struggle was mainly quality. Oh shoot, I need to open the car. My life right now. So where was I? So basically They are going to do the manufacturing for us, the whole production. I mean, we're not really manufacturing, we're sewing. They've got like proper seamstress, proper people who do the right thing for us. So I'm sending samples today. Hopefully we'll sign contracts in the next few days. And then I've got a few deliveries to make as well. I've also got to pick up my hubby. Guys, this thing of sharing one car is crazy. So hopefully yeah, we need a new car. We need another car. We need another car. Yeah, so I've got lots on the go, but I wanted to take you with me so that, you know, you kind of see what goes behind the scenes when you are starting a new business. I don't want to hide the realities because it's difficult. I haven't slept the past 2 weeks really. I'm proper sleep deprived, but it's good, it's good. And yeah, we just have lots on the go. And then I've also got to drop off a couple of things. There's a lot of these shoe boxes where I put my samples in. I am also seeing our designer today. So I've got so much to do, but I did not want to not have you part of this journey. So let's go. So after running around, we are at our last stop at our CMT's place where they do the sewing and everything, and we're leaving our samples here. Just wanted to show you guys some of our samples. So they'll be doing everything that we need done. I'm gonna flip my camera so you can actually see some of our samples. And also I do think the launch video I need to show how to use some of these things, because I've been getting a few questions on Instagram, follow our Instagram page, on how to use some of these things. So I am going to show you what we have. This is literally our first, what do you call it? These words, ne? This is like our first launch range. More things are to come, but I do want to show you what we have so far and what we're leaving here. My secret project, I'm revealing some things now. This is a bonbon durag over here, and then this is an example of our velvet durag, which it's actually velour material. And I'm messing it up now. Hubby was helping me with this. He placed it so neatly. Then we've got our pillowcases, and we have changed the design, but this sample actually has a zip. We've actually decided against the zip while we were testing. I told you guys we are still in testing. So this is how it looks. And then we've got our pillow cover. This, you actually literally just place your pillow underneath, and then you tie it just like that, so that you don't have the trouble of, you know, the production managers here. So this, you actually just tie on the pillow just like that, and then obviously sleep on this side. Just an example, but I know I get a lot of questions on the Instagram page about how to use this, so I will do a full video when I do officially launch. Then over here we have our microfiber towels. We've got this, I found the color, guys. Lozi helped me. It's actually champagne. Champagne color. Then we've got the blush pink that everyone seems to love. Then we've got the black, which you know. Then we've got our t-shirt towel, which has a drawstring at the back. I didn't really show you guys on the video, but it actually has an elastic at the back, so you can actually put it behind you, and no matter what the size of your head is, it should fit. It looks a bit creased right now, so please forgive me. And then yeah, we've got that. Then obviously we have these. We've got these in black as well, and the silver gray. And then we've got the satin lined hairline bands as well. So yeah, this is where we're at, and I just wanted you guys to see what we're doing. He wants mommy now. This is how it is when I get home. He wants me.
Say now, I want your boob.
Oh yeah, he wants my boobs. Let's be honest. Me and Fancy have this box to unbox. Are you ready, my baby? Let's adjust this cam. Okay. This is how we unbox nowadays. Let's show the people. Wait, Fancy, how are you gonna do this? Fancy. And this is from Justine. Justine is launching a new makeup line, And this is the pure and perfect line. Oh, okay, you're helping me. Good boy, good boy. I can't wait until I can tuma you around, my boy. We have, oh wow, high shine gloss with SPF 15. So high shine lip gloss with an SPF 15. Yes. So I'm guessing that's all the ones that are in here, and there's a lot in here. They are like tons. They are tons. Yes. Yes. And we got lipstick. And we got lipstick. And we got lipstick. Why are you always saying Tata? What happened to you saying Mama? It did say Mama first, but like we are losing sun, so I better rush this process. Oh, you guys don't tell me my camera is skewed this whole time. Okay, how can we tell you y'all be watching? Okay, ooh, this is a pretty fushy kind of pink. I don't know if you can see it. I see my face there. There. Stunning. Now adjust. Yes. I need to start experimenting more. Look at what I just got out of his mouth. No, Papa. No. I shouldn't leave boxes lying around. It's teaching me to be careful. Fizzy's also unboxing with me, but he's unboxing with his mouth. Let me see. Is there anything in there? Good boy. There's nothing in there. Good boy. Good boy. Here you go. Here you go. Okay. I am going to finish unboxing this and end this video round about here. Otherwise, it's going to look like I am actually, you know, moonwalking with my quality. We don't want to move backwards, we want to move forwards. Just want to show you something else. I will actually do a video using these products, so I'm so excited. Woo, this looks nice. Bronzer. This looks very chic. I must say, I love the packaging already. And I can't wait to use this. Thank you so much, Justine. Try out the NoDeskDay challenge and tag me in MySchool. And it's MySchool _SA on Instagram. Tag us, tag us, tag us. We want to see you trying out a day without a desk. If it's an hour, just do it. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and join the Yolz Channel family. I love you guys so, so much. And thank you for watching. Before Fizz chows my stuff. Mwah. Bye. Ooh, I gotta reach all the way. And we got Boo Beach. And bye.